Yesterday, US stocks just staged a massive comeback. While everyone was bracing for a crash, the Max 7 index defied the odds, soaring 1.3% overnight. But the real story isn't just the rebound, it's the massive power moves happening behind the scenes in AI and energy. Remember last weekend when Meta tanked 4%? Well, Mark Zuckerberg just erased those losses. Before the opening bell, Meta announced a staggering $27 billion partnership with Nebius. The result? Meta climbed nearly 3%, while Nebius went absolutely vertical, soaring 15%. We are seeing a massive wave of M&A and tech collaboration hitting the market again. It's a feeding frenzy. So, what's the trend here? At NVIDIA's GTC 2026, Jensen Huang just dropped a bombshell. By the end of 2027, AI chip revenue is projected to blow past $1 trillion. The market is intoxicated by this growth. NVIDIA stock was pumped by pure sentiment to nearly $190, gaining 4% in a single session. But it wasn't all green for everyone. Intel had a wild ride. Chen Liwu confirmed that the Xeon 6 processors will officially power NVIDIA's new Rubin rack systems. Intel's stock initially skyrocketed 7% on the news, but the excitement didn't last. Short-term traders swooped in for profit-taking, dragging the stock back into the red. It's a classic buy the rumor, sell the news scenario. Why did the broader market suddenly flip to green? It's simple. The geopolitical risk cooled off. First, the president called for an international coalition to protect oil tankers in the Strait of Hormuz. But the real market mover was Scott Bessent. The man from Wall Street is now the voice of the White House, and the market listens to him. Bessent publicly cooled down the crude oil panic, stating that supply is stable and prices will eventually slide back below $80. Brent crude immediately dipped toward the $100 mark, and just like that, risk appetite returned to Wall Street. By the numbers, the Nasdaq up 1.2%, the Dow up 0.8%, and the S&P 500 up 1%. But here's a reality check for you. The Middle East conflict has been raging for 3 weeks now. With all the scary headlines and 101 height oil, how much has the S&P 500 actually fallen? Not much. The wall of worry is high, but the AI rocket is higher. Is this a dead cat bounce or the start of the next leg up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm Panda, guiding you through the global wealth landscape. Hit follow to stay ahead of the curve.